How many credit cards is too many credit cards? Normally, I wouldn't say there's an answer to that question, but when you look at this person's profile, the first thing you're going to see is we have some missed payments. And when you look and see, initially it says 5 late payments, but then you look at all these missed payments, 1 here, 29 here, 6 here, 3 here. That's a lot of missed payments. The other thing I want you to notice is when you look at credit cards, normally I would say more credit cards the better. Having a decent high credit limit is really, really good. This is showing 10% usage, but here's the problem with this profile. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 credit cards showing and reporting balances. Here's the problem with that. That means every single one of these is reporting a minimum monthly payment due. That's going to crush your debt to income ratio. This is also going to crush that you have so many cards. Now, he does have a lot of cards that don't have balances, but you've got 26 credit cards showing balances. We need to cut that, cap that. You should never have more than 20% of your total available credit cards having or reporting a balance. But even at that, you should never have more than 5 or 6 credit cards ever reporting a balance. It's just completely unnecessary. And that's got to make this a nightmare to try to pay all these credit cards on time. This is one of those times I would definitely tell you not to have too many credit cards, and definitely you shouldn't have some of these credit cards, because a lot of these credit cards like Macy's and Bank of Missouri and PPC, which is PayPal credit card, and I don't even know what the heck some of these cards are. These are not good cards to have, especially not First Premier, not First Progress, not Credit One, not T-Bone Milestone, not Indigo. These are all Mission Lane. These are all credit cards you don't want to have. So make sure you don't go down this path. Stick with your basics like Capital One, Chase, American Express, maybe Barclays or Discover. That's about it.